Hey guys, back again with another fun and beginner friendly LeetCode problem to improve our logic building. And today we are going to solve question number 412, that is Fizz Buzz. This is the one of the most famous beginner problems that helps in understanding loops and conditions in C++. So first let's understand what our question is asking. Here we are given an integer n, and our task is to return a string from array 1 to n. That means return a string array answer one indexed where but some of the conditions are given. If the number is divisible by 3, then we have to store the string as fizz, and if the number is divisible by 5, then we have to store the string buzz, and if none of the number is divisible by 3 or 5, then we have to return the string as it is. And at last, if number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then we have to return the string FizzBuzz together. Now let's see an example here. Input n equals to 5 is given. Now let's understand the output here. If n equals to 5, then we will count from 1, 2, 3 and at last till 5. And 1 is not divisible by 3 or 5, so the 1 is returned, so the 1 as a string will be written as it is. And same is for 2. Now for 3, 3 is divisible by 3, and as per the condition we can see that we have to return the string fizz. So it is already given. For 3 it is fizz, and same as for 4, it is not divisible by 3 or 4, 5, and at last 5 is divisible by 5, so we have to return string buzz. Our final output is given in the form of array, and if none of the number is divisible by 3 or 5, then we have to return in the form of string as like given here. Now let's see about the approach here. Let's understand the approach. We will run a loop from 1 to n, and for every number we will check its divisibility by 3 and 5, and then check for 3, and then at last as 5. Otherwise we will convert the number into string and finally return our answer as array. Now let's write our code here. First of all, we will make a vector string, as we have to give the output in string, and we will run our for loop here for int I equals to 1, I is less than equals to n I plus plus, and we will check for both. If I percentage 3 and I percentage I is equals to 0, then we will push answer dot push back FizzBuzz as string with the name FizzBuzz. Here guys, you should take care of writing the spellings here, as you have to write the same as it is here, same as given here in the problem statement. Otherwise it will give error, or otherwise it will give wrong answer. Now we will check if it is divisible by 3 or not. If I percentage 3 equals to 0, then we will answer dot push back with the string fizz. Else if we will check for is divisible by 5 or not. Answer dot push back FizzBuzz at FizzBuzz, and at last we will check. We will see else answer dot push back to string of I, and at last we will return answer. So this is the code, and let's run our code here. Oh, sorry guys, here spelling mistake. To string. This method will answer dot pushback to string will convert the number into the string. As you all can see that all the test cases are saved, and it came as expected. As you all can see. Now let's run. Let's submit our code. As you all can see, all the test cases have been passed and our code is also accepted. So yes, this was a simple and very important beginner level problem. I hope you all understand the solution clearly. If you all enjoyed this video, then like my video, subscribe to my channel, and stay connected for more LeetCode videos. Thank you everyone.